Why does your scanner show the P2720 engine code? What does it mean? P2720 is a diagnostic trouble code for Pressure Control Solenoid D control circuit low. The P2720 engine code indicate a transmission-related electrical fault, where your vehicle's Powertrain Control Module, PCM, reading or short circuit in the wiring for the D Pressure Control Solenoid. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: dirty or low transmission fluid, damaged wiring harness, corroded electrical connectors, faulty transmission module, TCM, defective pressure control solenoid, D. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like this error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like Honda Civic, Honda CR-V, Honda Fit, and Honda HR-V. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.